Hi, today I'd like to go over a really quick demonstration on how to use our new statistics in robotalker.com. This is historical statistics. It allows you to filter, view different types of statistics based upon their outcome. You can hide particular statistics. You can mouse over and highlight, get counts on these. We have both phone calls, text messages, and we have both combined in a history. Chronological. You can hide or show either one that you like. And it defaults to 5 days when it first comes up. Let's go back a little bit farther, get a little bit more data. Take a look. System's fairly quick. And it will show you the calls, text per that particular time period. Now, in addition to showing you this information, you can also download it in CSV or Excel format. So just highlight what you want to download. Let's say I want to do phone calls. Hit that and you'll download the CSV. If you want both, you get 2 separate sheets. One will be CSV, one will be for phone calls, and the other will be for text messages. Down here we show the actual individual. You can sort based on any of these parameters. You can search based on what you like, completed, connected, the same over here, pending. It's very straightforward to use, pages and pages and pages. There's no limit on this. If you have 300,000, it will export 300,000, so you might have to wait a minute for the download of this. All these charts can be downloaded, saved as CSV, saved as JSON, saved as a image to be incorporated into internal reports. That is it pretty much. Again, pick a date range, pick an end range, 4th to the 19th. Let it do its compilation, and that's it. Just that simple. New feature we added to RoboTalker. We hope you enjoy. Please provide feedback if you can. Thank you. Good day.